Cool vibrations. Cool vibrations.
This is a law enforcement warning. A dangerous situation is currently occurring in Los Angeles County. A strange individual has attacked a member of the Burbank police force outside of the Hasbro headquarters on Empire Avenue. When citizens and backup law enforcement arrived, they found a frozen solid body with a note on it. The note, inscribed on a strange piece of paper that has ice-like properties, says the following statement. Sinners can be cruel when controlled by evil hands. Ice is immensely impactful and similarly evil hands. Don't try to stop me. Let me and my soon-to-be formed group fight whatever should in the future desire to extinguish our existence. My icy mind perceives our enemy to be connected to the mare and the moon myth, revealed earlier this month. As detectives and authorities with multiple agencies try to decipher this note the suspect left behind, authorities suggest all residents in Los Angeles County shelter in place until more is known. This notice will likely need to be expanded as more info on the suspect's direction of travel is uncovered. The suspect in question is described as being in his early 20s in age, around 6 to 6.5 feet tall, with long black hair, green eyes of an atypical color shade, and has a slender to underweight build. He was last seen in a black shirt with a dark green chaotic spiral design wrapping around it, black shorts, and a green coat with green and black steel-toed shoes. His getaway car is identified by law enforcement as a black and green 2000 Toyota Supra. The license plate is unknown information at this time. However, if you spot this car, or the suspect, you are advised to get out of his sight range as quick as possible, and when unnoticed, report your findings by calling the California Bureau of Investigation at 800-992-4647. That number again is 800-992-4647.